Hey everybody, my name is Adam Needens. This is my intro video for Module 1 for EDL 850 School Law. My personal information and personal demographics. I am married. My wife and I, we have 2 kids. We have a little boy who's almost 3 and a little girl who is about 8 months old. We also have a little dog. We live in central Kansas. I am in a 3A school district. I teach 4th grade. This is my 9th year teaching 4th grade at the school that I'm at. I've been in this same position for all 9 years now. I also do the public address announcing for high school football and basketball. And as well, I am the head middle school boys basketball coach and the head high school baseball coach. My work environment at the school that I'm at, we are at a 3 through 5 elementary school. Like I said, I teach 4th grade. There are 3 classes for each grade. There are about 191 students in our school this year. But we're getting about 20 to 23 students in each class. Currently, our building is in the Gemini process. We started this last year, so we're kind of going through some redesign changes and seeing how that all goes down during this year as well. The school and town demographics for us, we have a fairly high Hispanic population where we're at, and our socioeconomic status is fairly low. So that is some troubling areas that we have to work through and adjust as a staff and as a school district. School laws and safety. The superintendent, he does a very nice job establishing everything and is a great leader for our school district. We do know what is expected from our administrators as well as the Board of Education. Policies have been established and for the most part are followed through administrators and down through the teachers and staff. In our school, we do have a high attendance rate, which is good, and we do seem to work well with our parents and community members as they have responded to us very well on surveys and things like that we've gone through. We do establish and have established our standards for teaching, as well as we go through IEPs and SIT team meetings are all in place and followed through state laws and federal laws as we go through all that stuff, mandated times and everything. Federal and state laws don't get discussed very much within the teachers and administrators. There isn't necessarily a sit-down time to go through things like that. It's kind of just established, and we're kind of almost just expected to kind of know what's going on all the time. So that kind of leads me into my knowledge of the state and federal laws. My job as a teacher, I know, is to make my classroom a safe learning environment every single day for my kids. I understand probably what I need to know about our federal and state laws to make myself comfortable enough in teaching. I understand our school board policies probably better than what I understand the state and federal laws right now to make my classroom as safe as possible for learning and educating. We do have behavior plans in place, SIT team plans in place. We have IEPs. We go through ESL processes all the time. We establish para support and go through all that stuff. I understand how all those things work, and we kind of go through as teams moving along through that process. My proposed plan throughout here would be, right now I don't have all the information that I feel like I need or would need as an administrator. I would need to meet with my principal, meet with the superintendent to better understand our policies and our procedures that are expected, as well as the laws. I feel that they need to be shared with the entire staff so everybody's on the same page and can communicate better within how we do things at USD 405. We need to discuss where we're at and then what we need to do to change or to get better at any of these levels. We need to write a proposal on what we're going to try, and then we need to evaluate basically where we're at and going through that process. That was my intro video for EDL 850. Thank you very much.